Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these Vehemo booster cables. No cable clipping, whatever. So it's now listed on Amazon for about $12 and looks pretty interesting. I was looking for something to charge my car battery in case of an emergency. So when my battery charge is gone, so that happened to me a couple of days ago when I was cleaning the car and I didn't pay attention to the music and lights and everything, and so at the end the battery was drained and I needed to call the AAA. Yeah, that was a little bit bad. So if I had something like this, so it would probably have saved me. So yeah, you see this. Looks like you can put this into the lighter. There's some pictures, but I think here, as it looks here, I think I need another another equipment like the battery itself. I think this is just without the battery. The thing is, it doesn't really tell a lot. I mean, the description doesn't say anything, so I've been trying to read through the whole thing, but I think I will need something like this one, which actually holds the power and I can plug in. So I need probably two parts. I don't know. This is the description, and yeah, actually it doesn't say anything. So broken down car and normal car charge each other with the Vehemo starter kits. Reverse charging inside the car. Need to use the with the car emergency star power collect. Yeah, it's I don't know. I don't really get it what they are trying to tell, and also the reviews are good. So most 4 stars or so. They have some bad reviews. Don't expect this to jump start anything. I don't know. Then here again, very good again, but nobody describes what to do or if you have to buy something else. I'm a little bit lost here actually. So yeah, I just bought it. It was not expensive, so I thought I give it a try. I had already bought another piece. Ouch, that was really, holy moly. You see that? Wow. I really cut myself just with the plastic. I've never had this. Whoa. That's really sharp. I have to be careful. Yeah. Really strange. I think it was not a knife, it was really the plastic. Usually I cut myself with the cardboard or something like that. But yeah, anyway, not too bad. Hopefully I will survive. Yeah, that's the packaging. Let's see what it says. Charge the car with the flat battery by 12-volt jump starter. Charge the jump starter inside the car. Detect. Yeah. I don't understand. I don't get it. So yeah, I'm still really curious what I will get here and what it can do and if I need something else. So this is the thing. Here, instructions. Wow, smallest instructions I ever got. Probably. Yeah. So introduction, specification, hope you can see that, package content, operating instructions. Yeah, I have to read that. That's really interesting. Yeah, there's a little bit more description than in the Amazon listing. And here's a plug. I don't know what that's for, but this is definitely something to charge your car with the lighter adapter. And here definitely this plug is for yeah, a jumper battery, like a small yeah, I don't know the expression. I mean the thing I showed you in the Amazon listing, the small one which you can buy for 20 or 30 bucks. This definitely will fit to this. And yeah, so for me it looks really, I have to buy a separate battery where I can plug this in and plug this into the car, and then it should, yeah, there's a switch. You can switch either to charger or starter. And here we have, oops, yeah, here we have a plug and an adapter. Yeah, I hope you can see that. But I don't know where I could fit. Yeah, what's the use for that? I really have to see, but definitely this is very light, so there's no battery inside. There's definitely, absolutely sure no battery inside. I will need additional battery, but it's not really clear described. So I try to check the instructions. If I can pause the video, hope that works. Okay, so I'm back. I was reading the instructions, and it definitely says this blue thing that's probably called EC5 port or EC5 plug, and I need a jump, like a jump, where is it? Let's find it. Yeah, jump starter. Yeah, insert the EC5 port into the jump starter. Okay, so that's the thing which is the battery, the portable battery. So I have to plug this in and plug this into the cigarette lighter of the car, and then I have to yeah, put this in the starter position. So that means it will charge the car. And yeah, it says turn the car key into button ACC, or on the LED screen will show output voltage, probably this one. Okay, charge the flat battery car 10 minutes, then the LED screen will show OK. So hopefully this will show OK, and then start your car and pull out the product from the cigarette lighter socket. Okay, and then there's the next thing. So then of course you have used the power of the jump starter, and now you have to recharge the jump starter from inside. I mean, usually the jump starters, they have a USB plug, so you can charge it with on a USB. Yeah, USB, but you can charge it here. So you leave it in the cigarette lighter and still have this attached to the jump starter, but you have then to switch this thing to charger side. So then it will go reverse. Then the power will go from the car battery to the jump starter. But of course you can do only when the battery of the car is fully charged, or when you're driving. So the best thing, of course, is when you're driving in your car and it's charging, so no problem. But you can't do that while your car is standing still. So otherwise, when you're using this charger function, it will drain the battery of your car again. So yeah, now it's very clear. Unfortunately, they didn't provide this information in the Amazon video, but I was exactly expecting this. So now I have to buy a small jump starter. They are available at about, I can't remember, $20, $30, $40 about, yeah, depending on the capacity, of course. So that's the next step. I will definitely do that, and yeah, probably then show you how it works. I can't, yeah, I won't drain the battery of my car completely, but I will then just show the two functions. I mean, I can still charge the car battery even when it's still has some charge, and I can show if I can charge the jump starter with this thing. So yeah, I think this could help. I mean, I had already a jump starter, this small thing, and I tried to start the car with a drained battery, and it didn't work for some reason. I don't know why. The jump starter was fully charged, but it didn't work. And yeah, the thing is, you have to be really careful. I mean, it's when you plug, you have these things which you have to connect to the battery itself, and it's a lot of current, a lot of not high voltage. I mean, it's 12 volt, but it's a lot of current, and if you do something wrong, it can be extremely dangerous, because these car batteries, or also the start batteries, they have a lot of power, and if you do something wrong, like if you connect it wrong or something like this, it can almost be fatal. So you have to be really careful, and I like something like this much more. Yeah, of course you have to wait 10 minutes instead of the other thing where you can immediately start. With this one you have to wait about 10 minutes till you have enough charge in your car battery to start, but 10 minutes is nothing when you can do it easily. So I like this much more, and I will give it a try, and I will keep you posted. Definitely I will do at least one video when I'm showing to you how it will work with the when I bought the jump starter, and I will wait and see, and if I use the whole thing in case of an emergency, I will make a video then and show how this whole thing really works. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.